Hi everyone, my name is Xiaoyan. Today, I will with my team member present about the top growth. Top growth begin in 1991 as a small local manufacturer in Malaysia. Today, we are the world #1 growth producer, with manufacturing hub in 3 Asia countries and a direct market presence across 4 continents. Our product now reach 99% of countries worldwide. To maintain our leadership, we must overcome production capacity limits, automate our national logistics network, and enhance delivery reliability for clients around the globe. These purposes present the logistic solution that will help us achieve these goals. Hi everyone, today I'll present logistic cross function and I'll explain how logistics at Top Growth work close with different departments to help the company run smoothly. First, production. Top Growth get raw material from China, Thailand, and Indonesia. Logistics make sure this material achieves at the manufacturing on time. If they are late, the whole production may stop. Second, marketing. The marketing team depends on logistics to manage agreed delivery and product returns. When customer demand goes up, logistics help delivery product faster. This keeps customer happy. Third, accounting. The accounting team use logistic record to track inventory and payment. If your delivery are late, then finance report may have problem. Finally, finance. The finance team looks at transport strategy and emergency costs for logistics. This data help this manage company costs and plan of the future. So we can see the logistics is no work a lot. It supports many departments to make sure Top Growth run effectively.
Hello, everyone. So I'll be covering the challenges for our logistic expert. So as you can see, the overview of this first slide, our compliance to custom and documentation is very critical as this will ensure a smooth international trade. As you can see, we need to ensure that we have the ASEAN Certificate of Origin for regional trade. For our key markets like US, we need a full FDA compliance is very much necessary. This one will already include our product registration, adherence to GMP, and specific labeling requirements. We'll also need to consider logistical permits that are required accordingly to the country of destinations. Okay, as you can see here, overview of our second slide, we have our two main transportation choices. One is our sea freight from Port Klang. It is our most cost-effective option for a large volume, but it is slow. Air freight from Kuala Lumpur is the fastest choice for urgent needs. These decisions, however, will depend on the needs and the urgency of the order. For example, during the pandemic, when the demand is high to be supplied, we would prioritize air freight. Finally, our chosen primary export port is Port Klang. So as you can see, the list of advantages here is it is already our existing hub. So this already offers excellent global vessel access, as well as it has the competitive rates and a strong logistical support. It is also close to our factory in Meru, which already cut cost and has an established customs infrastructure. So that is it on my side, and I will be giving it away to our next member.
Good day everyone, BOAZ here. Today I will be presenting top gloves distribution center strategy for quarter 3. As Top Glove exports its products internationally, it is essential to follow proper regulations and documentation process. First, let's look at the customs and documentation requirements. When exporting to Asian countries, Top Glove must provide the Asian certificate of origin from D. This certificate proves the goods are from Malaysia and it helps the company enjoy tariff benefits under the Asian Free Trade Area or AFTA. For exports to the United States, the products must comply with FDA regulation. Medical gloves must be registered under the FDA and require several documents such as FDA registration number A510K, pre-market notification and proper labeling according to US standards. Without this, the goods might be detained at customs, especially at major ports like LAX. Next, we consider the transportation modes used to export. Sea freight from Port Klang is ideal for bulk shipment that are not urgent. It's cost effective and takes around 22 to 30 days to reach the US. On the other hand, air freight from Kuala Lumpur to LAX is much faster, only about 2 to 5 days. This option is more expensive but is excellent for urgent and high value shipment like during the COVID-19 pandemic when glove demand was very high. Lastly, let's talk about port alternatives. If Port Klang becomes congested or delayed, Top Glove can use Singapore's port, which is one of the busiest and most efficient transshipment hubs in Southeast Asia. Singapore often offers better shipping connection and schedule availability. It also useful for customs clearance and consolidate shipment. So it serves as a reliable backup option to ensure timely and smooth exports operations. By complying with these practices, Top Glove can ensure smooth global distribution of its product. That's all from myself. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Poneswaran. Today I will be present my part conclusion. Firstly is we propose a holistic logistic automation scheme. This plan is designed to improve our entire supply chain from end to end, focusing on efficiency and reliability. Next is the intermodal transportation which uses sea and air freight new distribution centers in Rotterdam and Los Angeles being efficiency. Third is the impact of these changes is clear. We will see a 50% reduction in logistic costs and a 30% reduction in our EU delivery time. Fourth is as part of our PACE approach. Page 1 will be to select the seats for our new distribution center in Q4 of 2025. The piece 2 will be the launch of our warehouse management system pilot in the first quarter of 2026. In conclusion, this optimization scheme allows Top Glove to effectively manage today's requirements while also laying the groundwork for our future growth and competitiveness in the global marketplace. Thank you.
Hi, I'm K.GUNANDRAN. Today I would like to present about appendices. Port comparisons. When comparing ports, we focus on three main factors. First, capacity, location, and accessibilities. A port must handle our cargo volume, be strategically located, and have smooth inland connections. Second, handling efficiency and turnaround time, as faster operation mean fewer delays. And third, connectivity to trade routes, ensuring we can reach key marketing quickly and cost efficiency. Then, freight cost calculations. For freight cost, we compare shipping rates by road and carrier to find the best value. We also perform value-based and weight-based cost analysis to choose the most economical method. Lastly, we account for additional fees such as custom, port changes, and insurance, since this can significantly impact the total cost. That's all from me. Thank you so much.